equals to this height, right? So what is the details, right? So yeah, again we have to write one more class one as interface variable. Now I'm trying to compile this system dot like if you want to execute this details of d equals new d dot show. It is interface variable dot java. Interface variable dot java. Interface variable. Parent age and child height, both the things we have displayed, right? And this is one set of a equation. Is this clear till now? Am I going fast?
No, it's good.
Any doubts? Anyone?
No.
Right. Ram, is it clear?
Yes.
Fine. Now, after saving this, what we have? Suppose, instead of printing the child height, I just want to print that directly now. The parent age is some 54 and child age is 21. So to display that we have age equals to plus age. What will be the output when we compile? What will happen?
It print age of child and parent.
Come again?
It will print the age of child and parent.
That's
It will show same age.
which age it will display?
It displays 54 and 21.
50
4 and 21.
or 21? 54 and 21, is it correct? See that clearly.
No.
No, it displays only parent age.
No, it will show error actually.
Why error?
Because both the age is the same. It will confuse between two ages actually.
Right. That is the main thing. Just now you answered what is ambiguity, right? Ambiguity means confusion. In the parent class and the child class, both is having the same thing. Here also that having the same thing, right?
Yes.
So parent, like reference to age is ambiguous. Both variable age in parent and variable age in child match. So there's a problem or not?
Yes.
The solution for this exists in this line. That variables are by default public, static and final. Now tell me answer how to solve this thing. It can be solved. Just you have to understand what is public, static and final. What is the solution? Question is clear? What I'm trying to say?
Yes.
We can make age as a default for both of them and can be used by the public since both the parent and the child.
But there is no use of child then. I have only age variable. I'm saying while declaring both the same names also, we can rectify it by using this public, static and final. In this you have a solution I'm asking. Based on the concept, you let what is public?
So yeah,
Yes, tell me.
here we can write parent dot age.
Why I'm writing parent dot age and child dot age?
In means from
Your
the
voice is breaking
parent
actually.
from the parent we can take the parent age, and from the child we can take the child age if we write
Because
like
of
this.
static, right? Static indicates a class name. It depends on class name. That's the reason you have to understand. So good. It's just based on the concept you are able to answer. Okay? So the difference lies knowing the concept is different, using it is different. We have used this parent.age and child.age now. Will it come? Yes. There is no error, right? So parent age and child age. Both the thing it's working out. Deepthi, is this point clear? Ram?
Yes.
Right. Now, what we have after this? Can I say a child implements parent? Is it possible?
Yes.
Implements in a sense?
Have the same properties of the.
What does implement means actually?
Means the same properties.
Implements in the sense you have to provide the like implementation. Like methods are there means you have to override the thing. You have to provide the body. Can you provide body for a interface again? Is it possible? Can you write a body?
No.
Can you implement the interface then?
No.
It's not possible, right? An interface cannot implement another interface. Error. Okay, it's expecting the problem. Now, can a child extend from parent? Is it extends possible? What is
Yes.
extends? Think and tell. Is it possible or not?
Yes.
Already you have completed extends, right?
But I think no, we cannot extend. No, we cannot extend interface classes.
Extend means what generally?
It has the same properties of the parent class.
Parent properties can be used.
Yeah.
Is it mandatory that you have to override?
No.
When you extend, will you override? No, right?
No.
Extend is a property of inheritance or not?
Yes.
It is supported by Java class and abstract class, and even the interface is a class itself. It's not a different thing. So implements is not possible, but extends is possible. Why implements is not possible? Because we can't have a body inside the interface. And when I give the implements, you need to provide the body for the methods I'm saying. Okay?
Okay.
And here, when you're extending, the superclass properties are being reused inside the subclass. And here, save this thing. If you want, compile. It's getting compiled. If you run this program, it's getting executed also. Okay?
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
Right. Any doubts in this thing?
No.
No.
The interface can extend another interface, but an interface cannot implement another interface. And we have inner class, right?
Yes.
What is inner class or nested class means?
A class inside another class.
A class which is defined inside another class, right?
Yes.
The same way, if you see, we can have nested interface. Java supports nested interface also. No need to extend now. So directly what I'm trying to do here now, interface variable, right? Right saying what I'm executing and employee system. Okay, already the child is there, right? Implement child, it's not implement child. It implements parents. It's parent, you can say. It's getting compiled, right? And when you execute, you can execute. The child.h is getting printed or not? So Java supports nested interface and it is static. Variables are static means you can access by using the class name itself directly. So it is also supported. Okay? Now, suppose I'm having a particular method. First that interface A is there, which has void show. We can't write the code, right? Interface B is there. So implements parent comma child. We have to override both the things, right? So what you can say, A interface show and void display. B interface display. Because the interface variable itself not changing, but instead of that, we need to call the d.show, d.display. Just a small example I am giving. Interface variable is not parent and child attributes. What is the error you are getting? Showing details cannot implement showing A because attempting to assign weaker access privilege. Why? You are getting this error. How to rectify?
Details cannot implement display in B.
Already you have seen this thing, right?
Yeah.
So what is the solution for that?
To weaker access privilege was public interface available.
What do you have to do?
Class
By overriding, you have to declare that as public. So when you declare it as public, it will be fine. So when you compile this, when you run this thing, A interface show and B interface display. Both the things are getting displayed, right? So these methods are also supporting the implements, like multiple initers you can see. And here both the things we have, because it's a pure abstract class, these are abstract methods actually, and the abstract methods are getting implemented inside the subclass, you can say. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the interface is clear.
Yes.
And before starting this, you had a doubt, right, Vikram, regarding the factory method?
Yes.
Why we write it? So like what's your doubt? Can you specify now?
Yeah, actually, like we are using factory methods, right? Factory methods are used why? Because basically, you to like what I understood is like we cannot display no need to declare the object, but actually it's complicating the program. Right? What is the advantage and where we use it?
Yeah. What program you have written that method overriding, right?
Yeah.
Basic thing. Previously, the complexity is not increasing. Actually, it's getting reduced. The way of writing the code is getting changed,
Yeah.
and you can see that writing the code is complex actually.
Yeah.
But the main point is, previously, when we don't have this factory method, we used to create the object and call the methods, right?
Yes.
Like 10 class, that means 10 times you create the object, 10 times you call. But if a customer is coming to a showroom and is asking, I'm not saying the previous one was wrong actually. It was correct itself.
Yeah, but like
The thing is, based on requirement, like once a customer is coming to the showroom and is asking, what is the cost of Audi itself? Then what will be the complexity? It will display all the costs, right?
okay.
Then how to solve this problem? Can you give me a solution? It's complex, right? You can't write separate classes for everything and execute, because in that scenario, you have to write separately for Audi, separately for BMW. Every time you have to write separately. Whereas, instead of using that main method to create the object, we'll take a parameter actually. Here, what is happening? A car name I'm taking. Now, this car name is sent to a method. Based on the method, like here, either it is Audi. So if it is equaling the Audi, what will happen? It will create the Audi object, right?
Yes.
So once the Audi object has been written, so it means based on the requirement given parameter, the Audi is getting executed. Or I'll give another example for you. Suppose you have a mobile connection. You
Yeah.
have prepaid and you have postpaid and you have yearly plan.
Okay.
You went to the some
Outlet.
internet cave and you asked him to pay the bill.
Okay.
So your is prepaid mobile connection, and you told your number, and he's charging you for all the 3 connections. Is it good?
No.
He'll say all the 3 cost. Do you require all the 3 cost
No.
for your number?
No.
You are paying only one bill, right?
Yes.
What's that bill? Prepaid bill.
Prepaid.
So you will tell him that yours is prepaid bill. But another scenario is there. Now you go for a general inquiry and you ask for a particular Airtel number, what are the plans you have? He'll say prepaid, he'll say postpaid, he'll say yearly plan. Then it is correct, right?
Yes.
So you should display all the details. So based on the requirement, here it's changing. Like for a particular request, it should give an object. The same way, when you are interacting with the website, you'll interact with either Oracle database, MySQL, or a SQL server. You won't interact with the 3 things at a time, right?
Yes.
So you'll give Oracle database. You'll mention the class name as Oracle. Based on the Oracle class name, it will generate Oracle object. If you specify MySQL, it will generate MySQL object. That's the reason it is important. In advanced Java, see next on tomorrow's class, we'll start the advanced. We should be aware of static and instance. What are the 2 things which we differ?
Okay.
What do you mean by static and what do you mean by instance? Those 2 are very important.
Okay.
And after that, inheritance you already know. Polymorphism. and abstract interface, exception, and the most important thing is factory method. So these three things must be known. Like four things must be known. All these concepts.
Okay.
Brush up these things. Factory method is the most important thing.
Okay.
Even though when you start the Hibernate framework also, here you can see these methods are there actually, it's a Hibernate program. So here also these are factory methods.
Okay.
A method with return type is a class name or abstract class name or an interface. That method is known as a factory method. How many types of factory methods are there? Instance
Two types.
factory method.
Static factory method.
Static. Instance means depends on
Instance depends upon the method.
object,
Object.
and static depends on
Class.
class thing, right?
Yes.
So those are the scenarios you have. See, make sure you are perfect with this. Go through them again.
Okay.
Then you will understand the, like, what you can say, advanced Java.
Advanced Java.
Okay.
Okay.
And brush up through SQL also. I've already shared the video, I guess. Everyone has seen this
Yes.
SQL introduction.
Yes.
And that create, update, delete, insert, select, like update, and all these commands are there actually. Okay.
Okay. And Rohit, you told me
So tomorrow,
you will refer me some book or something after Core Java.
you refer something.
You told me like you will suggest me some book or some material after Core Java classes before the starting advanced Java.
Now you can understand head first Java.
Okay.
Kathesera, it's an in-depth thing.
Okay.
For certification, you can use this Kathesera.
Okay.
And thinking in Java.
Okay.
Lot of books like these are comfortable. This at first is very unique actually.
Okay.
A different way of explanation and everything.
Okay.
And you know that Java is an ocean.
Yeah.
So a lot of new things will come. But the principle will be same. At the starting we have seen a principle. Java consists of what?
Objects, packages, and
What packages consist of?
packages classes.
Classes consist of
Objects, methods.
variables and methods.
Methods.
And if you want to use the variables and methods, what is required?
You have to declare them.
Right. And in order to create the object for the predefined classes, we need the package, right?
Yes.
But in Core Java, we have hardly seen one or two packages, right? In advanced, it will increase. In like frameworks, again, it will increase. So it's going on increasing that. New things will be seen. Okay?
Okay.
In future, we have gone through the basics of SQL. Yeah. Anything else?
No, that's everything. Thank you.
Yeah, can you upload today's class? Sorry. Actually, I didn't record it. Anyone has recorded? Who's it? Ram, have you recorded?
Yeah, but I don't have first 10 minutes. Like my recorder was not working for first 10 minutes. Only like what we discussed just
10 minutes you didn't record.
yeah.
Upload.
That 10 minutes we are just discussing the previous topics,
Okay,
right?
upload. Come again?
That first 10 minutes we are discussing the previous things. Just we are brushing up the previous sessions.
Yeah, that's the reason. So you just upload the thing, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. So tomorrow we start the advanced one.
Okay.
Okay?
class.